K-12 is a unique vertical market, and that the barometer for success is tied to teacher efficiency and student achievement. We design and manufacture our products with direct input from our customers. For instance, focusing on better cable management features maximizes the instruction time in the classroom, or minimizing the footprint of a particular charging solution so teachers can maximize space in their classroom. We currently find ourselves in interesting times, and Bretford's products align with education trends. For example, districts are moving towards student cohorts or pods and having mobile teachers moving from classroom to classroom. Enter Bretford, where our AV options create an optimized offering specifically for this use case. Most of our standard products were born in this way, built with the specific needs of our customers. We have a rich history in forward thinking by simply putting our customers first.